Hi guys, I am Frank. Today I'm going to see some unboxing video. Today I'm going to unboxing a wireless Bluetooth headset. The price of the product will be 999 rupees. The brand will be FlipkartSmartbuy. It will be blue and the connectivity will be Bluetooth. If you ask me about the features of the product, it comes with certain water resistance, provided a deep bass. It also comes with CSR 8635 chipset with a 10 mm of dynamic driver. It also comes with powerful bass. It also has IPX5 certified. It also has microphone and voice assistance. If you ask me about the connectivity, wireless type will be Bluetooth and the Bluetooth version will be 4.1. If you say about the connectivity, wireless type will be Bluetooth and it covers a range of maximum of 10 meter. It also comes with Bluetooth 4.1 version. If you see about the battery life will be lithium ion. It also comes with 110 mAh of battery. Battery life will be 6 hours and the charging time will be 2.5 hours. In the box you can see one Bluetooth wireless headset, earbuds, USB charging cable, user manual and startup guide. They also provided a 1 year of warranty. Okay guys, thanks for watching.